and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shareen. I'm an interior designer from New York City, coming to you from Waco, Texas today at the Magnolia Home store in the Silos in Waco, Texas. I am so excited to show all of the things that I'm seeing here and to celebrate Miss Joanna Gaines and all of her accomplishments, because it is one heck of a compound, I have to say. If you're getting value out of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I would love to engage in a conversation with you more about this place and other places that I like to highlight. You could have been anywhere on YouTube, but you chose to be with me, and I appreciate that. I'm thankful for you, and I will see you next time, next Thursday to be exact. Thanks for spending the day in Waco.
Sure. Bye.